Hey there guys, it's Robert Moody with MarineMax out here at Dallas Yacht Center. As you know, MarineMax represents Galeon yachts. I love these things. This is the first 50 fly that I sold. It's a 2019 on Lake Louisville. The current owner just listed it for brokerage. I'm excited to get this boat. There's so many cool things this thing does. One thing I can guarantee you, you're not going to get bored on overboard. You've seen them before, the sliding glass doors. Now I opened up the Galley. Countertop pops up, bar stools. This is the money. This is where you're going to hang out. Right here on the side, the terrace is folded down. We just added about 6 more feet of beam to the boat by dropping each side down total. So it's amazing. Great family fun, even on Lake Louisville. Let's come around to the cockpit. One, there's plenty of room to get in here. I got a great L-shaped seating. And what I love about it, you got permanent shade with this fiberglass hardtop. So no canvas to mess with, which is awesome. The current owner upgraded Fusion stereo, so we see some speakers wrapped around here. So when everybody's in the cockpit, you got good tunes. He also added 3 Ray Marine cameras. So there's one facing aft and one facing on each beach door. So when your kids or anybody else is playing, you can be anywhere in the boat and monitoring everybody in the water. Great idea. So you all seen it. I got sliding glass doors that come all the way open. It is late July, almost August in Texas. It's gonna be 100 degrees today. But I'll tell you what, with the breeze and these windows open, it feels nice in here. I still have the air conditioner on, and the way that they have the vents pointed, blowing all the cold air, trapping the cold air in. So if you want to leave the doors open, the AC on, you can. You're gonna be comfortable. Great galley. I like they did a wraparound galley. 2 refrigerators. Here's a refrigerator. There's a second refrigerator. Great storage. You know, I love how Galeon does their woodwork. Everything is built in-house. Everything, the gaps are fit perfectly all the way around. Great craftsmanship on this Galeon boat. So great counter space, food and drinks, serving off that side. Now we also have a port terrace on the starboard side. What they did here is they got a flip-flop backrest seat. So you can be facing in or out. Right now I got the door open, terrace down. Kids can run and jump off this side, swim over to the hydraulic swim platform with the built-in ladder, climb back in. Great. All around the back of the boat, in and out of the water. They nailed it on this boat. Good storage under the seating, storage cabinets here, pop-up TV, shades across all the glass. This is something I really love. A lot of seating. I mean, you're going to get a lot of people eating around the table, cooling down, watching a movie. This table does lower. A filler pad will go on, make it into a big bed for movie night. Staring at the TV. Now, if you want to play card games or have more people at the table, these ottomans slide out. Really cool thing that Galeon did, since they built everything in the house, they can do whatever they want. They made these pull out slide. Now I have more seating all the way around the table. Both ottomans do that. Really cool stuff that Galeon's done. So you notice right now I got the Helm seat. If you do want to drive from inside, this table seat can slide and lock. And now look how many your families all together right here, surrounded by glass and windows. It's amazing. Speaking of glass and windows, how about a power window for the driver? So right here, if you want to talk to somebody on the dock or talk to somebody up on the bow, you can lower the window, hit a button, the window goes up. Alcantara material on the inside. You know, we've seen it in all the high-end German cars. They're doing the same thing in here. Great look and feel. It's soft too, not just vinyl everywhere. Really nice. So on this boat, there's 3 staterooms. We're going to go down at the VIP forward first and take a look at that. VIP. I got big windows. I got some blinds closed because the sun coming in. But again, the cabinetry, the woodwork, everywhere storage. They could put storage. Each room has its own thermostat. There's 5 AC units on this boat. Each has their own controller. There is a TV on the back side. I got 2 closets in this room. Heavy doors. If you're here right now and you could feel that door, that's weight. Weight is money. So another closet here, 2 closets. Lights kick on, you open the door. So now we're going to step into, this is going to be the day head. It does have a separate shower. The head's going to be in there, but the sink and everything else is out. I got storage behind the mirror, storage down there. This is the guest day head. Look at this. They even inlaid a mirror into the wood door. Here's what I call the bunk room. Overflow for storage if you want anything. You got a massive closet in here, but if you know got a couple other kids or somebody else wants to spend the night in there, you can. Full beam owner suite with massive windows. I got the blinds pulled all the way up now, but you can drop them down for privacy if you need it. But what amazing views. Great storage on the side. Centerline bed. I like that it's low, easier to get in and out. Some beds are really high on boats. You have to jump up on the beds. Really nice. You got a nice workstation over there, a vanity. Again, custom storage, drawers and lockers under everything. We did option this one out with a combo washer and dryer, which is nice. If you want to take care of your boat cleaning here on the boat, not drag it back and forth to the house. Easy to get around, nice flat floor, great big closet over here. And now you have your ensuite private owner's head, and this one really is a separate head and shower. See, it's really nicely done. Great storage cabinets. But look at the detail they put into the shower with all the tile work in there. Massive big windows with blinds, of course. If you've never owned or operated a boat from the Flybridge before, once my customers get on a Flybridge boat and you drive from up here, because of the visibility and safety and view, it's hard to get them to go back downstairs and drive again. And there's so much seating up here. So there's 2 wide at the helm, massive sun pads, so everybody else is riding with you up here. You're not by yourself as a captain of a boat lugging around. Great seating for everybody right here. So this boat is powered by Volvo Penta D11, 670 horsepower each. So these are shafts, so you drive by the sticks. It does have a bow and stern thruster, so you got great control around the docks if you need it. They also option this boat out with a yacht controller, so I got a wireless remote control. Got radar, depth finder, all the maps, autopilot on it, auto heading. There's my Volvo Penta gauges. We did upgrade to the Fusion stereo system, so I got a controller there on the bow, in the back, and down at the lower helm. And then you got an app too. But look at this seating. So if you want everybody near the captain, flip the seat this way, and now you got room for maybe 6 people riding up here talking to the captain, plus on the sun pad in front. But let's say it's dinner time, time to eat. I'd flip that backrest forward, flip out this table. Look at this. This is bigger than a dining room table. Everybody can sit around here. Got an ice maker up here. I got a sink up here, and you got the Kenyon electric grill up on the fly, so you can heat up your dinner, pull stuff from downstairs. Great area up here in the Flybridge boat. This is a 2019. This year model, they didn't have a fiberglass hardtop, so we got a massive, nice bimini top, which I like. If you want to move the boat, way easier to transport this to a different lake, and a lot of easy shade up here on top too. If you got any questions about this Galeon 500 fly that's on Lake Louisville, near my sales dock at Pier 121, give me a call or visit us at MarineMax.com.